We have opened up some space. We will have to put another alternative control board horizontally. The original board is vertical. The original board is just disappointing. We cannot find any fault, anything wrong with it. It may be the connection of inside the box there. Now we need to take a few more minutes, open up the gearbox, open up the connection and check it. Should not have a short circuit, I doubt it. And it's just time consuming to maintain and repair them. So the whole craft is placed back into order. The malfunction probably caused by the controller in low voltage. And this, apart from the mechanisms, it would be a horizontal control board. It does not look neat to enable a attitude hold function. Attitude hold function is quite dangerous actually. It's an electronic controlled, nearly like a autopilot, and anything go wrong with the controller or the voltage, the batteries, the craft has a tendency to fly away and destroy itself and crash and burn. So we will test it, and it seems normal.